I am Princess Janie, the enchanting guardian of this majestic kingdom.
I'm Naruto Uzumaki, a spirited ninja from the Hidden Leaf Village.
Hey, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to delve into the exciting world of 3D animations made possible by the power of AI. And the best part is, it won't cost you a dime. By the end of this video, you'll be able to craft your very own jaw-dropping 3D animations that rival professional studios. So, without further ado, let's get started. In the first step, we'll be focusing on designing our unique 3D characters. To do this, head over to Leonardo AI, where you can create an account for free if you haven't already. If you're unsure about how to set up your account, check out our previous video for a step-by-step guide. Once logged in, choose the 3D animation style model. Before generating, ensure you adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9 for a cinematic look and set a higher resolution to maintain image quality. Don't forget to enable the prompt magic option, which enhances the creativity of the generated images. You can also choose the number of images you want per generation. For now, we'll select 2. Now, the crucial part, the image prompt. If you're feeling stuck, don't worry. We have an AI-powered assistant at our disposal. ChatGPT. We'll ask ChatGPT to provide us with a creative and concise image prompt for today's project. With the carefully crafted image prompt in hand, paste it into the prompt section and choose the Leonardo style. Excitedly, hit the Generate button. Keep in mind that it might take a few tries before getting the perfect result. After experimenting with different generations, you'll be amazed by the creative and realistic Pixar-style 3D arts that Leonardo AI produces. Once you're satisfied with your creations, download the images by clicking on them and selecting the Download button. We're ready for the next step. To animate our 3D images, we'll use a fantastic tool called HeyGen. Simply search HeyGen on Google, find the website, and click on Try HeyGen for free to begin. Next, click on Generate Talking Photo and sign up for an account using your email address. After completing the sign-up process, it's time to upload the 3D image you created earlier with Leonardo AI. Once uploaded, click on Create Video and choose the landscape resolution. Select your uploaded image and add the text you want your character to say. Then choose an AI voice that fits your character's personality from the provided options.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope.
With all the elements in place, click on Submit to start generating your animated video. The AI will work its magic, and before you know it, you'll have an amazing talking animation that you can hardly believe was made for free.
Hello there. I'm John, a passionate adventurer and tech enthusiast. With a background in engineering and a love for exploring the great outdoors, I'm always seeking new challenges and opportunities to learn and grow. Let's embark on this journey together.
Wow, look at this amazing result. I can't believe it was made with AI and it's completely free. To download this animation video we created, simply choose the resolution and click the download button. It will be downloaded soon to your device. Here are some 3D animation videos that I have personally crafted using the precise method I taught you today.
Greetings, kindred souls of the realm. I am Princess Janie, the enchanting guardian of this majestic kingdom. With a heart brimming with compassion and a spirit that soars like a free-spirited phoenix, I aspire to bring harmony, grace, and benevolence to all who dwell within these hallowed lands.
Hello, I'm Hermione Granger, a proud Gryffindor student at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Known for my insatiable thirst for knowledge and passion for the magical arts, I'm always eager to delve into new subjects and unravel the mysteries of the wizarding world. Alongside my best friends, Harry Potter and Ron Weasley, I strive to make a difference and stand up for what's right in our enchanting journey through Hogwarts and beyond.
I'm Naruto Uzumaki, a spirited ninja from the Hidden Leaf Village. I may not be the best student in the Ninja Academy, but I never give up on my dreams of becoming the Hokage, the strongest ninja leader in the village. With my determination and the power of the Nine Tails within me, I'll prove to everyone that I'm destined for greatness.
Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to create breathtaking 3D animations using AI without spending a dime. From designing your characters with Leonardo AI to animating them with HeyGen, you now have the tools to produce impressive animation movies, clip by clip. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're excited to embark on your 3D animation journey. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more fantastic tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.